as you can see, I am adding it to my bowl. I wanted to show you all how thick this was. Right, so look at that, guys. As I said, when you finish eating the plum, this can be like a jam. Hey guys, welcome back to Nas and Rick Vlogs. Today I'll be making a Jamaican stew plum for you, and as you can see, I already peeled this plum and I have these to peel. It's only 4 I'm doing today just to show you how we make the stew plum. So these are green Jamaican Juneplum. Alright, these are not the agriculture plums, they are the Juneplums, right? So I'm gonna peel them now. I already have my water boiling because I have to boil them. So I already have my water boiling, and as soon as I'm finished peeling these, I'm gonna add them to the boiling water. Alright, so stay with me, guys, so you can see how we make authentic Jamaican stew plum. Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, my plums are in the water, the boiling water. So what's the brown stuff that you see in there, guys, is the nutmeg. All right, I'll be grating some more inside the pot. So this is what the nutmeg looks like. So I had to break it out of this shell. This is the shell, so I had to break it out and get this. It's the nutmeg. So I will be using my grater and grate some nutmeg. Alright guys, so this is how it looks after I add my nutmeg. And guys, you should smell this right now. It smells so good. This is what we also use to put in our porridge. So we also use this right here. You know, it's just to give your stuff flavor, and it smells really good. We use it also when we're making our porridge, you know. So I just put some nutmeg in there for a little flavor. And I'm going to cover the pot, guys, and let it boil. Make sure that the water, when your water covers the plum in the pot. All right, so just always make sure that when you're boiling, your waters completely cover the plum. All right, so guys, if you just reach to this part of the video, I am making Jamaican stew plum. These are green plum here, they're not ripe, they are green plums, and I just peel them, add them to some water. The only thing I put in there is nutmeg to just give it some flavor. Alright, so I'm gonna allow it to boil, and I'll get back to you guys so you can see what I'm about to do with it next. Alright, yes guys, I'm back. So I'm just back to check on the plum, guys, and look at that, they are boiling. Guys, you should smell the whole kitchen, I mean the whole entire house, guys. This smell of this lovely fragrance of the nutmeg that I add to the plum. All right, I add to the water and just gonna see what's going on. So they're boiling. I wish I had more plums. Well, I actually had more plums, guys, but I had to just blend some and make some plum juice, and I'm also gonna use some and make stew plum. So I'm gonna allow it to boil, guys. I'm not gonna even touch it. All I have to do now is just allow it to boil. All right, so I just came back to have a look at it and see how it's going. So let me close it up, guys. So actually those small things you see in there, those brown things or black, however you're seeing it, that's the nutmeg that I add to it. And nutmeg is a spice that you add when you're baking or when you're making your porridge. You know, it's just for flavor. All right, add a nice flavor, and it smells so good. So yeah, the nice guys, I'm back, and my plum is really soft now, guys. I don't want it to be too soft. It depends on how you want it though, but as you can see, I'm sticking the fork inside it and it's pretty soft. So guys, guess what I'm going to add now? I'll be adding my sugar. So I'll be adding my about 3 spoonfuls of sugar. Adding about 3 spoonfuls of the sugar. Alright. All I'm gonna do now is just sweeten it, guys. Sweeten. So you got to sweeten it to how you want it, right? So when you do it like this, all you have to do is just taste it, and you will know if you want to add more sugar. So I'm gonna put just a little bit more inside it, guys. Just a little bit more. Alright. And I'm just gonna sweeten it, guys. Let me taste it again. Very sweet now. Want to sweeten it, guys. Guys, trust me, it might look like it's not getting anywhere, but trust me, you're gonna see the finished look of it. Alright. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is just cover it and let it boil. Let the sugar mix with the plum. Alright, so I'm just gonna cover it, guys. And hey guys, I'm back, and you're now looking at my stew plum, guys. See how it's all coming together. You know, before we add some sugar to it, so I'm now allowing it to boil down, you know, so that the sugar can boil out some more. So that's exactly what I'm doing, guys. If you see, it's getting thicker and thicker. So as it boils, what I did, I just come and, you know, kind of take up some of the sugar and add it on, you know, kind of put it at the top of the plums. That's what I've been doing. So you see, guys, this is all coming together. Hey guys, Nas is back again, and the moment we all been waiting for is finally here, guys. Look at this. This is my stew plum, guys. Guys, I hope you all go ahead and try it, you know. If you have plum, that's the one they call Juneplum. You know, if you're not in Jamaica and you're overseas and you can get it to purchase, go ahead and purchase it and try it. All I did was get some green plums, peel them, put on some water on the stove. Once it starts boiling, I add my plum to the boiling water, and then I go ahead and I grate some nutmeg in it. I grate some nutmeg in it, guys, and you know, let it boil for some time. And once it gets soft, you can use a fork and juke the plum, and you will know if it, you know, just kind of stick it and you will know if it's soft. Once it's soft, guys, and the water that you add in the pot is supposed to be covered, you're supposed to cover the plum. So once it is boiled, guys, and once it is soft, you add your sugar. If you don't want it too sweet, because this is sweet, I like it sweet, but this is plum, so you know, it's nothing to harm. So you add your sugar and then you let it boil with the plum. And once it's boiled and it's down like this, thick to this consistency that is thick like this, then you go ahead and you turn it off. So I'm now gonna add it in a bowl, and I'm going to let it cool, and then you can put it in the fridge, and you know, you can have it, you can just eat it just like that. Alright, so this is how it's looking, guys. Let me see if I can get it closer. Alright, so this is how it's looking, guys. Look at that. That's stew plum. I love this, guys. My grandmother always make this for us, and this is my first time trying it for myself. So this is how it looks, guys. I wish y'all could taste it, but it's smelling so good because of the cinnamon, because of the nutmeg, sorry, that I put in there. You know, it is smelling so good. So I'm going to add it. So I am back, guys, and as you can see, I am adding it to my bowl. I wanted to show y'all how thick this was. Alright, so look at that, guys. As I said, when you finish eating the plum, this can be like a jam for you to place on your bread. You can put it on bread and you can eat it. You see how thick this is? That's how thick it is. So I'm just adding it right there. Yes, guys. So that's it, guys. That's my authentic Jamaican stew plum, and these are Juneplum. That's what we call it here. This is really hot, guys. It's hot. I just put it in here for cooling, right, for cooling purpose, and then I'm gonna add it to a jar. I don't have a glass jar. I have plastic jars. I have plastic jars like this that I have my salt in, so I can get one of these jars. I have other jars like this, like I'm gonna place it in a jar like that. So yes, guys, so that's my stew plum. That's my stew plum, guys. I cannot taste it now, guys, because it's so hot, and you know how sugar is when it's hot, right? Because this is basically sugar meltdown, and I have some nutmeg, and you can smell it, guys. Right now I'm smelling it. I wish you guys could smell this right now. So you know how sugar is, guys. This is basically sugar, and then you have the plum, you know. So this is gonna be like a plum jam, if there is something by that name, you know, because once the plum is finished, once you eat the plum, you can save the jam, you know, put it in a jar. It's gonna get thickened like a jam, and you can put it on your bread and you can eat it. So I would love if y'all could try this, guys. All right, for all the persons in Jamaica, I don't know if some persons ever did it before. The person that's overseas, if you guys can get the plum to purchase, you can definitely try it. All right, you can definitely try it. And that's my stew plum. I love this. I love stew plum. Alright, so I want to say, if you are new to the channel, please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Share out this amazing video, guys, and I hope everyone enjoy this lovely recipe and this lovely video of my Jamaican stew plum. All right, remember to put God first in everything that you do, and until then, much love from Nas and Rick Vlogs.